Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to our new video. If you are new here, my name is Rachel. Yesterday we went to Starbucks because we wanted to get some coffee. Angie wants to get some coffee and eat some breakfast, and it was very cold yesterday. Then I'm not a coffee lover, so I bought a green tea, and green tea has a caffeine, and I drink the large green tea, and after that I feel super duper dizzy and I got so bad headache. And then last night I can't sleep, so I don't have much sleep because of the caffeine. I should just drink hot water, but I don't know, for some reason I thought about green tea. I don't want hot chocolate either, so I ordered green tea. Gosh, that was very bad. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Look at the peanuts that I did. So when I was doing this in the house, like Alex was asking me, like, how do you close it? How do you seal it? You know what I did? You just have to use lighter. You put in the stove, and it'll close. Do you know this?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you just burn it. We have some peanut for lunch. You know what, Dave? If you put that now, it could fall off later and you're gonna lose it.
If I have a try.
Do you have bean?
I have a try.
I have to bring backpack today. Yesterday I'm bringing my bag, and I feel like it's more easier to bring a backpack, so I'll just put it in the back. We're here in Smithsonian National Park. $7. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ate Angie bought what do you got? Cinnamon for $7. Why? It's too early for that. Too early, isn't it? It's kinda too sweet. You're gonna get hyper later. Oh yeah, you're gonna have a lot of energy. We're gonna see the animals and we're gonna show you around too. So we're gonna check the panda this way. Where? Na-excite mo naman ako. Wala naman eh. Piggy back bears. Super skinny. Yeah. It's over there. Come on, tara te.
Very cool. You know, you could definitely be a person.
Do you like seeing animals on the zoo? I don't like seeing animals in the cage. I feel like they don't have freedom.
Yeah.
Like they should supposed to be in there, wherever they should be, but they're cage them.
Yung habitat.
Yeah. Giant elephant. The owls, guys. Owls. They have one inside.
They kept it that color.
Do you want to go in? I don't think so. There is this. This is the buildings. They have a lot of bird inside, but we're not gonna do that because there's so much people in the line, so we don't want to wait. I think they have a limit to going inside, so we're not gonna wait. We're gonna just walk around. It's so busy right now because it's Saturday. Weekends is busy as usual. Plus spring break. Look at that bridge. We're gonna get out. We're gonna go somewhere maybe less crowded.
Might be moving.
Which one animals do you like?
I like the birds.
Birds? Yeah. I like the pink one. Pink flamingo. They are really nice. I like the bamboo there. Hindi man tayo nagpicture.
Ano?
We didn't even take a picture.
Very crowded.
Yeah, you can't even take a picture. It's so crowded. At least I got some video. So I have memories.
Ito may panda market.
I'm not gonna buy panda. Do you want to buy some? So today we're going to ride a train for the very first time. We're gonna try it. Woody, mag-walk na ta. I don't know how the process. Oh my gosh. Wait. Guys, oh my, it's dark though. It's very long escalator. Yellow going to red. I don't know, which one do you think was better? Which one you want to take today? Guys, we're here in Chinatown. Oh yeah, and that one I'm looking for.
Yes.
Oh, perfect. That one. We're here in the Chinese restaurant. We're gonna order some food. So you have to order it yourself in the computer. You have to put what you want in the computer. So we're just waiting for our turn and we're gonna order. Where is that? Dim sum. Gusto mo ting dim sum? But it looks the same. Guys, let's eat. Look at the soup. So you have to order it on the machine. I'm talking about it. You have to order it in the machine and then you have to wait for the number to call you. And you also pay on the machine.
Filipino style na yun.
So we got back here, guys. We already back in hotel. It's already 6 o'clock in the evening and we're gonna just have a rest tonight and I'll see you again tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So we're here in train station. Say good morning, guys.
Good morning.
We are going to Maryland.
Wheaton.
Yeah, we're going to Wheaton. We're gonna take a train going to Wheaton. It's freezing cold. It's shaking cold si Ate Angie. This is the second time riding a train. Yesterday we did for the very first time and we did have a hard time because I used to ride a train in the Philippines, so it's just like the same process. Here he comes. So long. Not much people, huh? Glenmonta. We're going there. It's 6 stops before we get to Wheaton. We let him go out first. You're supposed to let him go out.
When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
Not much people. I don't want the smell. It's just like a car, not the smell. I'm very sensitive on the smell. Yeah, I know. That's why I said I don't want the smell. Even though I have a watery nose, I could still smell it. Wait, oh shit. You're drinking coffee and then you say bad things. No people, guys. We're only 2% left. Look at behind. There's nobody there. It's Sunday today and like 9 a.m. in the morning. It's not much people. Wheaton, we made it. We're here in Wheaton.
Wheaton.
Doors opening. Step back.
It's taking forever to open. Jollibee. Thinking getting Yum Burger or Aloha Burger. And then one ubi pie. Ikaw.
Let's see.
I got peach mango pie and I already ate the ubi. We finished Jollibee, guys.
It's very cold.
It's so cold. I can't. Like my hands is very hurts because of the cold. So we're gonna go to Red Ribbon, which is a Philippine bakery. This is very popular in the Philippines. So we're gonna go there and buy some pasalubong.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm shaking like it's only 45 degree right now. What do you call this? We're a Filipino blood, Filipino and Floridian. But you know what? We saw some people. They were just wearing shorts
Yeah, I know.
and t-shirt. They're not even cold. We're like wrapped very. Like I had 3 layers of my clothes. But went here in Maryland just to eat Jollibee.
I know, right?
And for this Red Ribbon, we'll never ever live in the country that's cold. That's why I'm gonna stay in Puerto Rico or in Florida or in the Philippines, not here in the cold area. We made it. We're here in Red Ribbon, guys. We'll check what they got. My gosh, this is not even a front. It's not a front. I think somewhere here. Yeah, I opened the wrong door. That one is kitchen. This is the door. Magkuha lang ako. Ay. Ang ingay ko, wala ka pala. They have empanada, which is like same in Puerto Rican empanada. So we're gonna buy these things. This is not for me because I'm already done. I already ate 1 pie and burger. So I'm gonna give this to my friend. And at the end, you got some too. What you got?
I got pampa, cheese, and butter.
Or same. Oh, let's put in the cart.
They got no
The one we really like is the ubi one, but they don't have.
Kaya. Hindi nga nasa
Wala man din ang gold na like salary.
Anything else besides the bread spread today?
No, it's just that.
Plastic bag for your order?
Yes, please.
The total will be around 11.51.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Check it out. Guys, we saw a restaurant.
I forget every court.
Yeah, I know. So we saw a Filipino restaurant and Filipino grocery store. That was the next. We're gonna check it out again. We're not gonna be done here. We're gonna be all day here. Keep going in the store. This is the Filipino food, guys. It's like a turo-turo style. It's very convenient here to go because the train goes everywhere. So walking distance to everything. We walk from the train only 7 minutes. Going to this store, they have a lot of Filipino store in restaurants, grocery. Not very far to walk from the train station. Plus it's cheaper, way cheaper than riding a Lyft or Uber. Yeah, cold kayo dyan. There's already have a lot of flowers. The cherry blossoms white. I'll show you. It's a lot now. It's so much now. These are pretty. They have a lot of magnolia flower over there. Oh my, look at that. Wow! Look at this.
I got some roses here too.
Oh wow, Ted, it's so pretty. Oh wow, that's a lot of flowers. Wow. Oh my gosh. We're here in the botanical garden. This area is tropical place area. I'm trying to find the different kind of fruits, if I can see it here. It's super steamy here, super hot. They do it in the indoor. This is the medicinal papaya. Oh, you can use the papaya for medicine. The everything, also the leaves, right? The papaya.
Pandan to.
Oh my gosh! Look at this pandan. This smell are so good. You can put this on the for cooking. It's for inflammation. Smells so good. I like the smell. We call this one in the Philippines buyo, and you can eat it with tobacco and other stuff. My dad used to eat this. It's supposed to be good for you and makes your teeth stronger. Good morning, guys. I forgot to finish the video yesterday. Do you want to say bye, Te? You didn't see much in my video. Ate Angie is here. Our problem is we are very cold. Our clothes is very thin. Say something, Te. You want to say something?
I don't know.
How is the traveling here in the Washington, D.C.?
It's so.
Do you like it?
I like it. When the cherry blossoms blooms, it's so like heavenly, amazing.
Yeah.
It's very pretty.
It's lovely.
You don't know what to position yourself to take pictures, and you know.
Yeah, the best part
It's
is
the best experience actually when you just used to see that in postcard and pictures. And now you're just see it in person and like, you know, making memories.
Yeah.
Looking back, I was here like 2 years ago.
Yeah, I like this for a while,
Mm-hmm.
but I don't think I can live here or I can be here longer.
Yeah.
Because it's just like, you know, busy area, huge building. I mean, I'd rather be in the mountain.
Yeah. This is good only for this season, like spring. Like I don't like here like winter because it's very cold.
Yeah, the cold.
And summer is hot too, but not quite really hot. Spring is good and fall. I like spring and fall. That's the best weather.
Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you again later. Bye bye.
Bye.